Okay, hello everyone, welcome to the video today. My name is Elizabeth, and in the previous video I showed you how to buy a domain name and how to quickly create a website. Okay, so you have the website built. If you didn't see that video, then you can go back. I'll leave a link and you can go back and watch that one. But what I wanted to show you today was how to add a privacy policy to your website. Every website or blog site out there does need a privacy policy in order to be compliant. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. Here I am in the WordPress back office of the website that I just created, which is Freedom Affiliate Lifestyle. And what I need to do is add a privacy policy. That's one of the first things I'm going to do before I start doing any blog posting or anything else. I just want to go ahead and get some of those things out of the way. So let me show you how I do it. I'm going to go to my Wealthy Affiliate back office. And if you don't know what Wealthy Affiliate is, I discussed it in the last video. This is where I do all of my website building and business. This is kind of like my office for the day. And I can do this from anywhere as long as I have a laptop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what they've, one of the tools that they've put in here is what's called templates. So I'm going to show you how we're going to add the privacy policy. So we're going to go to websites right here. What we're going to do is we're going to go to site content. Okay, this is where you would normally write your blog posts and then publish them. So as you can see, these are ones I've already done. I have a ton of them in here. These are the ones I've published, so I'll show you those real quick. I have a ton of them. You can write your blog posts in here and then publish them to any of the sites that you own that are hosted within Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is a template that they've already set up for you. I'm going to go to templates up here. And you've got an affiliate disclosure, which we're going to be adding one of those as well. We've got to get an About Me page as a template for you. And here's the privacy policy. So all we're going to do is click that. Okay, and so here it is. This is the template, and we're going to put, the title here can be just privacy policy because that's what it is. And as you can see, it already is filled in for you. Okay, so they've got everything you need to know, everything you need to put in your privacy policy right there. The only thing that you need to do is here where it says in the brackets yoursite.com. Obviously you need to change it to whatever your site domain name is. Okay, so I'm going to put in mine, which is, excuse me. Okay, you don't need to have all the www or anything like that. You just need to have this. So mine is freedomaffiliatelifestyle.com. And I'm going to copy that. And then you just go through here and plug it all in, right? Anywhere it says this, yoursite.com, you're just going to paste that in there. Simple as that, okay? So you're going to want to go through the entire thing. I'm not going to sit here and do that with you the whole time, but here's another one right here. Okay, and you're going to go through here. Here's another one. Here we go. So you're just going to go in and plug those in. Real simple. And here's one other spot you need to be aware of. Okay. You're going to want to change this to your first name. Pretty simple. And then an email address. So you want to put in an email address that they can reach you at if necessary. So that's all you've got to do. And once you do that, you're going to hit save. There's no need to go through the grammar check because this is already done for you, and as long as you don't change anything except for just plugging in your website domain name, then you're good to go. And so all you're going to do is hit publish. So I'll come back in just a second after I plugged everything in and I'll show it to you, okay? Okay, I'm back. I have filled in everything and changed all of everything, including the email and my name here. So all we're going to do is now hit publish. And here we're going to choose the website to publish it to. I have all of mine listed here. And this is the one I want it to go to, freedomaffiliatelifestyle.com. This privacy policy is going to be a page, not a post. So we're just going to click it over here to page. This is super simple to do. And I'm the admin, and we're going to click publish. So you can do several things here. You can either go to the edit in WordPress, we can view the page. Okay, so here we are. So here it is on my website, privacy policy, as we named it. Okay, and here's everything that was just in the template and with my changes that I made. And there it is, ready to go. It's actually published and already on my site. You can go back here to the home page. And of course I don't have anything written yet. This is the first thing I've done. Okay, so there's no blog post or anything. So this will look more like a website once I get going on that. But here it is right here, privacy policy. Okay, I'll go back to it. I'll show it to you again. Perfect. Okay, what I typically do with privacy policies is I put them down here at the footer, so you can just, within your theme, you can customize and move that down to here so that it's not up here in the menu. This is actually, for my theme, this up here at the top is going to be the menu. So I'm going to want to have other things up here. I don't need the privacy policy to be forefront up at the menu. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'll probably move it down to here in the footer of my website so that it's technically on the website, but, you know, you'd have to go down there to find it. That's usually where they're found anyway. Okay? So that's how simple it was using the templates here at Wealthy Affiliate. I will leave a link below to, first of all, the first video that I did showed you how to buy the domain name and how to install your website. And then also I'll leave a link to Wealthy Affiliate. This is the #1 program and platform that I recommend to anybody who's starting an affiliate marketing business or a blog post or website of their own that they want to monetize. This is one of the #1 training, hosting, all-in-one platforms that you will need in order to be successful. Okay, so I'll leave a link to both of those down in the description if you want to check them out. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave it a thumbs up and a like if you want, and feel free to subscribe for more info like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.